Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you guys another balloon tutorial, but this time I will be making this balloon arch for a client and I am going to set this up on site. So I am not sure if I will be able to show you step by step on how to do the balloon arch. So I decided to show it to you guys first. What are the frames that I am going to be using and how do I attach the balloons to my arch frame? So let's go and check out all the materials that I will be using for this balloon arch. Okay, so for our balloon arch frame, I know that you guys can purchase balloon arch frame from Amazon and there are lots of options, but for me, we made this arch frame to make sure that this will be able to withstand an outdoor balloon arch. So for the balloon arch pole, we used PVC pipes. So this is a PVC pipe, a half inch size PVC pipe. We bought this from Home Depot. For our base, what we used here is a 12 by 12 inches of piece of wood, and then 12 by 12 inches of brick. So we all bought these materials from Home Depot. And then, so what we did with the wooden piece is we drill a hole in the middle or in the center, and then we use this set of PVC coupling. Okay, so when you're done making your wooden piece attached with these connectors, what we did is we taped the brick to the wooden piece using a Gorilla Tape. That way we know that it is properly secured, attaching both the brick and the wooden piece. Okay, so the main purpose of the brick is to make the base heavy so that it can hold the weight of the pole when you already attach the balloons on it. To make it secure, I sometimes tape this portion here with any kinds of tape will work actually, so just to make sure that this one is really securely attached to your base. Okay guys, so now that we have our base ready and both of our poles are ready, I am just going to quickly show you how I attached my balloons in this middle portion of the arch, and how do I follow the pattern to make it a spiral design. Now that I have my balloons ready, I blow them up with about 9-inch big. For this balloon arch, I am going to use a 3-color pattern, predominantly color blue. Make it a quad. Just twist like this. So basically, what we are looking to have is that both colors has to be side by side, and then when I attach it to the pole, I am going to start in the middle, insert using this blue and the white color. You insert and then twist here. So now we already alternate blue, white, blue, and then yellow. So this is now gonna be our pattern for the arch. Okay, here again, we'll just make it a quad here. And then I am going to insert the middle of blue and white and then twist to secure your quad into your pole. And then I am going to push this and make sure that your colors are following the spiral pattern here. Okay, I'm gonna put one more, so one more set. So the same, I have blue here at the bottom and white and yellow on top. And then I am going to insert in the middle of blue and white again. Here, insert and then twist. Here. So now I am going to push it towards the cluster in the middle. Following again the color, the spiral design of the color. There. So that's just how you attach and follow the design. Follow the color of your balloons to make it a spiral design. I'm gonna show you guys later how I attach this centerpiece when we do the actual balloon arch.